Hello everyone. Today I'm here with another tutorial video using the iCraft products. If you remember, I had done an unboxing video sometime back, and I will be using all these beautiful products to create a 3D layout. So first up, I'm using this paper pack, and I have chosen a very neutral beige print because I'd like to add more color using the other products later. So I've cut it to the size of my insides, and I just need to now glue it down using maybe Mod Podge or any sort of glue that you usually use. So I'm just using a mixed media glue here and adhering this pattern paper down in place. Once that's done, I'm using the apricot chalk paint to color my sides, the insides, the rim and the top of the frame. I use about 3 coats to get a darker color. That done now, I have chosen a photo and I'll be using this chipboard to frame it, and I'm just deciding where I'd like to have it placed so that I can go ahead with my next step. So my next step is to use the stencil with some texture paste. So I'm using 3D matte gel here because I'd like it to dry clear so that when I add some color using the sprays, it just gives me a nice effect onto my background. So randomly stenciling around my focal. Once that's done, now I'm going to be using 2 shades of the color sprays, and I begin with just splattering using a paintbrush, and after I have enough splatter of the pink color, I'm just going to slightly mist it with water and move it around from all directions to get a nice flowy effect. I then add some more pink splatter and a little bit of the purple splatter as well. I'd also like to have a little bit of this color and pattern on my sides, so I spray onto them through the stencil, and I make sure to do it only on 2 corners, keeping in mind my entire arrangement and focal point. While that dries, I'm going to color my chipboards, and for this I'm just using some chalk paints in a baby pink and a cream color. The exact names of the colors are going to be listed in the description box below. So with that done now, I've just adhered my photo and used some waste chipboard pieces to raise it, and I'm just beginning to glue it down. I'm using these fussy cut elements from the element sheet and some foam tape as well as glue to arrange them and glue them down onto my base around my focal point. So just playing around with the arrangement and gluing it down together until I'm happy and satisfied. For extra embellishments, I'm just using leftover scrap pieces, the same stencil and a green color, spraying it and then using an iCraft die to get some extra leaves for layering. So with those leaves ready, now I'm just going to glue them down and add some more elements to this layout. Once they are in place, I also want to use the 2 sizes of the art pebble stones, and I don't want to color them because I like the transparent effect. So I'm just going to glue them down using transparent glue randomly and complete my elements for this particular layout. I also add a phrase just to sort of title this entire layout, and that completes this particular layout. I really hope you've enjoyed this quick tutorial, and all the products, like I said, are listed in the description box below. And until the next time, take care and bye-bye.